As a high school student, Victoria Garza noticed something different about the STEM summer camps she attended.
While I was in the camp, there was a large majority of boys.
Females are one of the populations underrepresented in engineering.
Girls, please join engineering. There's not a lot of us. We need more. Pretty please.
The good news is Garza, now a mechanical engineering major at UTRGV, is already helping that cause by reaching out to young students through the Railway Safety Camp.
That's one of the things that we're trying to address in this camp.
Constantine Tarawneh is the director of the University Transportation Center for Railway Safety and is in charge of the summer camp.
You'll see our high school class has as many females as males, which is very rare.
In fact, Garza led an elementary camp class which was very different demographically from the one she attended.
My entire class, I have one boy and the rest are girls. So I'm really happy that I'm shaping my new generation of engineers.
We try and teach STEM concepts like Isaac Newton's laws, magnetism, but put it in an application that is railroad related. Transportation engineering is a very multidisciplinary field. So for example, in railway, you'll have electrical engineers, mechanical, computer scientists, civil engineers, all types of engineers working on different aspects.
My counselor recommended me to go to the program because I was in the automotive program. So basically this thing will help me out for my career too. The technology is kind of really advanced for me right now, but little by little, I'm still learning the new things right there.
It's very fun and I was so excited to come.
A lot of the kids don't realize that math and science can be fun.
I thought it was going to be really hard, but it's not.
Many students write letters at the end of the camp. One letter was from a student less than thrilled when she first got to the camp.
Her mom forced her to come to the camp and she didn't want to do it, but now that she has gone through it, she really loved it and she was not expecting that engineering is fun.
It's just a great program and I hope the school continues doing the great stuff that it actually does.
For more information about the University Transportation Center for Railway Safety, visit UTRGV.edu/railwaysafety.